Ema kroni nyina esa ye ma kire se ehubu eku yi echi womo wanye bewuwi wonso epra ye nso epra ye edane dia na ahomete pa o bogoso APIATE krono omure emfida wei eyentam kese na no ena minister kire mu se wo mo ebu ho konta no ye behia sika be 70 million Ghana cedis de Accra eye krono enyina se foto ya aban no eboye se obia emeboa no APIATE ekrono wo mo nsa aka sika no 70 million Ghana cedis na wo mo ehia no wonsa aka emu be 42 million Ghana cedis. Etina chese wo mu ekọ omadimu a chenche wo na chese nkonta no wa bia ya friends Facebook for mo calculate emfa emra se yehia 70 million Ghana cedis chenche se yehia 42 million Ghana cedis enti akasen mo fa ho ansa no emra eti ayi aban no ana minister
700 billion
ana omuhia ana chese we kuro manya bi ntamo
zeros no 4 beka
no we zero make kwa free nam dia ka ho but we you no so far to so
700 billion and
ye here and yensa ka say 420 billion dia ka say
ka be 280
na cha say sika na so enya sam ketua kra onti ayi minister kiremu se aban no esre pa obi aya wunchi abi no chenchan ne se wa koto mu nyina mase ayi Patrick
betua bi
watua bi uchi asai
imomzi sadi nyeni nyina betua kana bon
eti mase bomaden we dia mo nkeka mo nsa no enwumakuo ene ankrankra obia emwa ma yempeja APIATE kuro no ensan ensi ho ebiem minister edensem wei eto eya parliament anim womra emrase badwane a wogire mu ede ema pisi ahoni valley Robert Wisdom Kujo wano samai minister se omebu sika aban anya ewo APIATE futuo no emu no womebu eho akonta enkyere parliament ena kyere se minister nso ekoye eho akonta ene wode atudwa no yentie
trying to establish the work which is being done in relation to the reconstruction of the APIATE community is being spearheaded by a technical committee. I was very deliberate in constituting that committee, and indeed, the people who are members of that committee are representatives of various associations: the Ghana Institute of Architects, the Ghana Institute of Surveyors, the Ghana Institute of Quantity Surveyors, and so on. So these are experts. They have come out, and I think that was put out by Madam Joyce Ayi, with a preliminary figure of 70 million Ghana cedis. The speaker, as I indicated in my answer, we have been able to raise 40 plus odd cedis. That's how much we've raised so far. We hope to raise more. But always remember that these estimates are preliminary because they are subject to variations based on the prices of goods and dollars. So, but the amount which is being quoted now, preliminarily, is 70 million Ghana cedis.
Eti na chese enwonsam no na aba abetodwa no eti we wuhwemu asania eye MP no ede ema prisia ahoni valley wodi monyamfo Robert Wisdom Kujo wasama eye minister so womebu eye akonta minister eyi jirapo ena eho akontabuo no ene sania ensaman no esikoye no ena MP no yete ne nka ewo ho no yentie sania minister so wotu bi ede ema MP no Minister ena makwanya no so ene watu bi pa e de akere eye MP no watu bi di amane no me na ya abenase bese makeka madwena kere no poto ene wakeka bi e de akere ne se wono MP Kujo no wanya ho se minister emebu akonta no wo MP kapre pa ya tokuro dem wunchia bi wanya ho na chese wo be bisa se sika na wo he minister emebu eho akonta we so kra de ene MP wunyi sika ni bia ni onso wa ya huro ena obisa ho asem we die e wasampi ebeyi ano yentie minister ne wakeka bi e de akere MP no se wo bisa ho asem kapre ya tokuro dem nchia bi.
But let me correct an assumption which is embedded in the question. Honorable member, my senior colleague, we don't have sufficient funding. The budget which is being presented to me as the budget required to rebuild APIATE, what we have raised so far is just a fraction of it, which is why we continue to call on Ghanaians to contribute to the fund for us to be able to reconstruct the community. Significantly, Mr. Speaker, the Member of Parliament for Pristia Unibali, who is asked this question and who is the Member of Parliament of the community and who enjoys the mandate of his constituents, has not contributed to this fund. He has not contributed to this fund. Mr. Speaker, the records I have. Mr. Speaker, may I answer the question? If I may. Mr. Speaker, the Honourable Member is not even here to demand answer. No, let me answer the question. Well, Honourable Member, I haven't invited you.
Eti minister ya wano en wo share eye lands and natural resources so eye yansase ene emuafom agudie ensam so woni monyamfo Samuel Abujapo ene wadwapa chanche o se MP no ntia bi nenu wa kan se
Mr. Speaker kwara Mr. Bebro 500
da bi so mu ye dede eti o person onya time no chirem
say boss so minister ntia bi no
Mr. Speaker
minister
let me correct an assumption which is embedded in the question. Honourable Member, my senior colleague, we don't have sufficient funding. The budget which has been presented to me as the budget required to rebuild APIATE, what we have raised so far is just a fraction of it, which is why we continue to call on Ghanaians to contribute to the fund for us to be able to reconstruct the community. Significantly, Mr. Speaker, the Member of Parliament for Pristia Unibali, who is asked this question and who is the Member of Parliament of the community and who enjoys the mandate of his constituents, has not contributed to this fund. He has not contributed to this fund. Mr. Speaker, the records I have. Mr. Speaker, may I answer the question? If I may. Mr. Speaker, the Honourable Member is not even here to demand answer. No, let me answer the question. Well, Honourable Member, I haven't invited you.
Etu mi hu say ayi MP no efusu no say jare se wa be ba na ko be yi ano na speaker se won friend eti MP momo dia no nya no we de eni gwase da bi se fund no me ba o fund no so nya obia ene fo so because asem ni si ye no company no a enam wo so asem ne ba ye no ye ma wo nchi aka pre ye fitin ya ye so obia meboa omusu na eji sika twitwiri die yi eti
ebia ya wa metro
oya no ya ne die as individual
wanye bi die
eti foto ne die nwa obia na wo ba na dwensu obetua eti MP mechirem
se wa monye
eno so bra enya se bia ya kan ne ya na odimirika MP dimirika no wa yi sika obetwen ka na da bi na meche se time a ebia wo di betua nya sa time na minister de betua ti ebia obetua ba ontia enchese ontia wa wo betua ontia enchese ontia what
ontia na ko busa konse
but any e kan say e bia na ono as MP no ono ya na ne de enko e na fund no so ya ne de enko eti sani MP sorry ya wo be yi anu a speaker say on tenase no that bia MP e yi anu a ya de be basasi we de nkamu ehu pa
e na Mother's Friday ajima ka o Facebook no wo say 1 minute bia na Mr. Speaker nemu Mr. Speaker de be 105,000 and 6,000
basa wa calculation no de ba no
Facebook for no mo ya dio Joseph Kojo ahemfo o say o de 720 million and what 420 million frame was say beka 280 million
good
and na Mother's Friday ajima so de 70 and ono so atie free mu sa no